Hello learners, so today we are starting with a project on a topic demand forecasting, in which we will be forecasting the future demand of inventory in an inventory management system. So today we are using the Altair AI Studio, also known as RapidMiner previously, a great tool for building futuristic and machine learning models, data science solutions and much more. So let me first quickly take you all through the user interface. Then we will be starting with the project. So in the left hand panel, we are having the repository section in which you will be creating your repositories and import data. Below we have operators, the main magic of AI Studio, and here we will find operator of different uh, according to different uses. And in right hand section we have parameters which you will be setting according to your operators, and below we are having the process help section in which you will be getting the detail of each and every operator you will be drag and drop on the panel. So let's quickly start with the project. So here I have created an empty repository using this create repository option, in which I have created two folders, data and a process, using the create subfolder option after selecting the project folder. So now in the data folder I will be importing the data set of inventory management system from my system. So this is the data set. So here you can see that AI Studio is giving us the brief summary of a data set. You can quickly take a look to the head of a data set, the columns you want to use or you don't want to use, the header you can select. Next, here you can change the type of a data set, change the type of attribute, anything you can do. You can rename the column, you can exclude the column. Very awesome features provided by AI Studio. So now you have selected the repository folder where you want to store it. Finish and see. This is the main thing I want to show you, that the column is unparsable. That is, it is a not a number. You can see that we are having the C. Okay, so let's quickly fix it using the RapidMiner. So we go one step back. We will see that it is an integer type, but there is a C in some of the invoice numbers, so we have to change the type. We will be setting it as a polynomial. Next. So it's uploading the data set on the folder we have selected. Okay, so after data set is uploaded, it looks we can see it in a result section. This is a design section. The result section shows the result when we run the process. And so this is our data set. Let's now it is accepted as it is a polynomial type. So let's quickly build the process now. Okay, so here we are having our data set. Let's drag it to our uh, process panel. Okay, let's connect the dot, run the process. So here we are having our data set. Okay, so now we have to do the demand forecasting, but let me tell you that the C in the invoice, in some of the invoice we are having the C. So that is the invoice in which customer has returned the product, C. So we can't use that C invoice number, so we have to filter it out, because we have to forecast the demand of a sales which is already done, not the return projects. So let's quickly search the filter examples, add filters. We will be selecting invoice number does not contain C. Okay, so now our example set is not having those which is having the C. For example, here notice the number example set, so it is reduced because it has removed the invoices which are returned. Okay, so next, now quickly go through the forecasting thing. Now this is the invoice date. From this date we have to extract the month part, because I will be building a model which will be forecasting the monthly uh, based inventory requirement. So to extract the month part from a date, nominal to date, we will be extracting nominal to date. Remember, we have nominal to date. This nominal to date we will be using later on. Right now we need date to nominal, because the date given in our invoice we have to extract the month part, so we can't extract it directly. So we will be extracting it using these operators. So here we select the date. We need the date in this format. You can type your own format, otherwise you can select from it. We need year and a month. So let's run it. So here you can see that we have extracted it. We have extracted it. Now we need to rename it, but the original date column is not visible now. So let's keep the old attribute and run it. So now we have original column also, and this is renamed. So now we can need to rename it. So we choose a rename operator, place it on that, rename the, select the column, rename it as per your use case. We have renamed it. Now when you run it, the column is renamed, but when you check the statistics, it is in a nominal format, but we need it in the format of date and time, like this one. So we will be using this operator. So we will be selecting year, month, date, date format, again the same. Now we do no need to keep the old attribute, run the process. So now it is converted to the date format. You can check it out, date. So now the data set is needed to be aggregated according to the monthly based. We need the quantity of products required in the month. So we will be aggregating the data. You will be understanding it after looking at the result. So first let me quickly search for aggregate attribute, place it here, edit list. We need to aggregate the quantity of products sold. We need sum, apply, group by, year, month, apply. Now we will be running the process. The data set is aggregated on the monthly based. So this is what we wanted. So now we will be forecasting the future of this sale. Now the data set is till December 2011. So let's predict the future forecast of inventory required in the coming months. So we will be using the ARIMA model. ARIMA model provided in the AI Studio. It is a auto aggressive integrated moving average. It is a forecasting model. You can I will be providing the link in description. You can find more detail about it. Also you can read about it in the help section provided by AI Studio, a very nice help section. So in ARIMA model, first let me quickly show you how to use the ARIMA model here in RapidMiner. Okay, so time series attribute is the attribute which we want to forecast. Has indices is the attribute based on which we want to forecast, like the based on month. Okay, so sort the time series, because it will not work if we do not use the sort time series. You can try it out. So now ARIMA model we have used, but in every machine learning we have to apply the model. Let's quickly apply the model on the apply forecast we will be using. We will not use apply model because it is used for machine learning models. In forecasting models we use apply forecast. So in apply forecast is forecast horizon, which means the number of months you want to forecast. For example, here we need 5 months. Okay, so let's quickly try. We also need a performance of a model, how it's performing. The performance is also required to evaluate the model. So are you excited to run our process? We are about to complete it. See the magic of AI Studio. All right, so where is our predicted results? First let me close all these so that you can see it clearly. All right, okay, so here we are having the forecast of 5 future months. As I told, uh, after December 2011 we got 2012, Jan, Feb, March and April. So the forecast, we can see that this is the original quantity. We do not know the original quantity, so it is given us the forecast, how much quantity of inventory required in the coming months. So this is what our project was. So thank you everyone for being with me in this demand forecasting model built on AI Studio. I hope you really enjoyed the learning process. Let me quickly show you the more magic of AI Studio. You can also visualize the results here. See the forecast of coming months, the already previous history data. So you can quickly choose visualization and visualize your findings here in the visualization section. You can check the statistics, you can see your results here. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed the learning.